on Olga Media. We are continue to work with Algo-Logic, and John Lockwood, CEO and founder of the company, would like to tell us about some of the prototypes they're running in their company, behind the scenes.
Yeah, so this lab contains some of the machines where we do the testing, and so pre-production with customers that we typically allocate a machine with an FPGA, and we set up the application on the FPGA and install the software and hard Gateware, and the customer then can log in remotely through the cloud. And so our development service allows customers to try out the applications, run traffic through the system, make sure that it works for all the test cases that we've defined. And once it works, then we can take the servers that are in this lab and we can ship them over to the co-location site where they typically get installed. This is our DC power system, and so we run many of the computers in our lab off DC power because it's more efficient than AC power. Is that the conversions going from input to output, using DC, we can get close to 98% efficiency. And so this is just a standard breaker panel like you'd see in a house. And then these are solar charge controllers. Is that we have an off-grid solar system that powers much of our computer lab that is being controlled from this rack. And so we have that these boxes are taking power from the roof solar panels and then charging our DC batteries. And so we can see how many amps are coming in from each of the different banks of solar panels. And then down here are the batteries, and so we have cut-off circuits in order to turn off the batteries if we need to change out the cells as we're running. And so this makes sure that we have continuous 24/7 power to our servers, and it also provides efficiency because we can pull in that energy off the solar panels during the day to recharge the system. So it's like having a UPS system that never runs out of energy because we always get fresh energy from the solar panels during the day. And then if we go for any extended periods where it's cloudy, we can also tap some power off the grid as we need to as well.
So besides that, big companies provide electrical power to their employees and their cars. You do that too.
That's right. So we also have, with some of the spare energy that we generate, because we generate more energy than we can drive our servers with, is that we charge electric cars. And so that we have a couple charge controllers that are producing, in this case, because the L1 and L2 chargers for the cars need AC power, is that we're inverting our DC power to AC and driving the cars to do an L2 and L1 charges. Going forward, we plan on using the native DC power, and so we can go DC to DC and do a 400-volt charge to charge the cars directly with very efficient power conversion.
And if I will ask you to give me a few sentences of your company motto and definition that our viewers would remember, what it will be.
Right, so the main thing that Algo-Logic does is Gateware. And Gateware is not hardware and it's not software, but it's rather the firmware effectively that runs on an FPGA. And so because most of our Gateware is connected to networks, is that we call it Gateware Defined Networking, or GDN. And so in order to build the applications, we also have a number of CAD servers. And so the CAD servers are high-end Intel servers that run tools to verify, synthesize, place and route, and test the applications that we build. And so, a combination of the systems we have in this rack include the pre-production servers that are being tested before they go into exchanges or co-location sites, our CAD servers that we're using in order to build and synthesize the circuits, our power systems that are being used to provide energy to all the systems, and then also the key value store systems where for the live data, as we saw at IDF, where we're able to collect and have a dashboard where data can be pulled off and seen immediately as it comes in, as it streams in.
All right, you have lots of projects you're working on, so we're not going to spend too much of your time and keep you away from work because I want to have technology working for our customers, myself, my team, and everyone in the world. So until then, we wish you success, and we will keep working with you and know what's going on with your projects and companies and solutions.
Okay, thank you, Olga.